Assalamu alaikum. In this questions we have been given that x squared plus y squared is equal to 49. This represents a circle with a radius of 7 and the center at the origin. And the second equation is x plus 2y is equal to 10. This represents a straight line. Well, we need to find out the value of x plus y. In order to do so, first I will name these equations. So let me name this as equation 1, this one is equation 2, and this is equation r. To solve this given system of equations step by step, I would like to find the value of any one of these variables. Either I have to isolate x or I have to isolate y. So I can easily isolate x over here. I will do this. Like equation 2 implies that I can write this equation is x is equal to 10 minus 2y. As if you shift this 2y on other side of equality, its sign will be reversed. Now I will substitute this value of x into this equation 1. Put it in equation 1. So by substituting, I will get equation 1 is for x I am gonna substitute this value. That will get me 10 minus 2y whole squared plus y squared is equal to 49. Now I will just expand this 10 minus 2 times y whole squared. So in order to do so, I will use a formula that is a minus b whole square is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. Alright, so I will use this formula to expand this. So I will come up with 10 squared plus 2y whole squared minus 2 times 10 times 2y. So I have just expanded this one. Plus y squared is equal to 49. Now I can write this as 100 plus 4y squared minus 2 times 10 will get me 20. 20 times 2 will get me 40. So 40 times y plus y squared is equal to 49. Now I will just make it a standard form. What I mean by standard form, I will make it equal to 0 or one side will be equal to 0. In order to do so, I will subtract 49 on this side and on this side as well. So I will come up with this 4. So I can write it as 100 minus 49 plus 4 times y squared, and also rearranging this one and an order y squared minus 40y is equal to 49 minus 49. I have subtract this one from this side as well and this as well over here. So it will get me 100 minus 49 will get me 51, and when these two are added, I will come up with 5y squared minus 40 times y is equal to 0. Now rearranging in descending form, I can write it as 5y squared minus 40 times y plus 51 is equal to 0. Now this is quadratic in y, okay? And to make it more simple, I can take 5 as common from whole equation, or I can divide this by 5, okay? So the thing is same. So what I will do here, just take 5 common from whole. So I will get y squared minus 8y plus 51 divided by 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Now dividing 5 on both sides, here and here. So here it will get cancelled. So on this side I will come up with y squared minus 8y plus 51 by c is equal to 0. This is of the form. Let me me write the standard quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In order to find out the value of x, we usually use a formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now here I can see that a is the coefficient of x squared and b is the coefficient of x and c is a constant. So similarly, I can assume that a has value in this equation is 1, b has a value of minus 8, alright, and c constant has a value of 51 by 5. Well, here I have wrote x, but I can replace y to find out this y. Okay, so I will just plug in these values into this formula, so that will get me y is equal to minus, well, b is equal to minus 8 plus minus and minus 8 square minus 4a has a value of 1 and c has a value of 51 by 5. Divide by 2 into 1. So I can carry on with this y. So y is equal to 8, as minus into minus will get us positive value, plus minus 8 squared has a value of 64, minus 4 gonna multiply with 51, that is 4102 divide by 5 and it has a root divide by 2. I can take only this part or solving with this one, so 8 will retain its place plus minus and here 5, and when this one is multiplied with this, so by taking 5, now 5 gonna multiply with this one, so it will get me 320 minus 204, so half divided by whole divided by 2. Now here it will get me a plus minus and here I will get 1/16 divided by 5 whole divided by 2. Now y is equal to 8 plus minus and when 1/16 divided by 5 whole square root, and after using calculator I would come up with approximately it is equal to 4.81 divided by 2. Now from here we can see that we have two values of y. So y sub 1, let it 8 plus 4.81 divided by 2. So that will get us 12.81 divided by 2. That is approximately equal to, I told you that this is value of approximately. Okay, so after calculating this one, this isn't exactly equal to this one, this is approximately. So this y sub 1 has approximately value of 6.405 and y sub 2 has a value of 8 minus 4.81 divided by 2. So it will get us 3.19 divided by 2 has approximately value of 1.595. Now keeping these two values and the rest will be erased as I need more space to write. Now after getting some space, as we have calculated two values for y, that is y sub 1 was equal to approximately 6.405 and our y sub 2 it is equal to 1.595. Now I will use these two values to find out two values of x. In order to do so, I will use this equation, as I have deduced from this equation to that x is equal to 10 minus 2y. Alright, so for this y I will substitute this into this equation, so that will give me x is equal to 10 minus 2 times 6.405 and here it will get me x is approximately equal to, as this value has been approximated, equal to minus 2.81. And for this one I will also use this equation, so x let me name as x sub sub 1, x sub 1, and here x sub 2, then minus y will have this value of 1.595. So after calculating, I will come up with 10 minus 3.19, which will get me 6.81. So we got two sets of coordinates. So here x sub 1 has a value of 2.81, while y sub 1 has a value of 6.405. But keep in mind that this is approximately values because of the square root we have encountered earlier in this question. In here, x sub 2 has a value of 6.81, while y sub 2 has a value of 1.595. So, and finally, to calculate this required x plus y, so for this set of points, we will have minus 2.81 plus 6.405, and we will get at approximately equal to 3.595, and for this pair of set we will get 6.81 by 1.595, and here it will get us approximately equal to 8.405. So the possible values of this x plus y is 3.595 or 8.405. Alright, so this is the required results. Thank you.